Hi, welcome to Story Time with Gigi. Today we're reading a story called Dogs Everywhere by Cor Hazelaar. This was my daughter Hannah's book. She drew pictures of some dogs when she was little. It's 7 a.m. and dogs everywhere want their morning walk. They wait at the door. It's time to go out. They smell the trees and grass as they race to the park. There's so much to see and hear and do. Some dogs, if they are very well behaved, are allowed off their leashes. They meet their friends, exchange scents and secrets, and plot and plan. They dig and splash and run. They imagine they are wild like their ancestors. See the shadow? That's the imagination of what they think they are. Chasing caribou across the tundra. See their imagination. Until their hunt is cut short by the calls and whistles of their masters. It's time to go in. Back at home, they eat and sleep and wait until evening brings their master's return. This picture's funny. And walk time again at last. Back in the park, they celebrate. And that's our story. I hope you liked it. Make sure that you like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye until next time.